everybody, welcome back to Sammy Joe Did You Know? Today's tech tip is actually super neat to use whenever you've got some data that you need to insert into an Excel sheet, but you only have a picture of it. There's a couple of different ways that you can do this, so I'm going to show you two of them. And all you're going to need to do is go to the picture that you want to either take a snip of on the page or save the picture as a picture to your desktop. From here, you're going to open up your Excel sheet and you're going to click on the Data tab at the top, and then you are going to click From Picture. You're going to get a drop down that's either going to say that you can insert it from a picture or from your clipboard. However you have copied your data, that's the option that you want to pick. Go ahead and pick from there, and you're going to get a box on the right hand side that pops up that says that it's going to analyze the data. This is where you can either review or make changes to the data before it is inserted into your Excel form. After you've done your review, go ahead and insert it, and voila, your data is there. I do want to give you a little bit of a warning that this does not work for formulas, and it also does not work for super complicated pictures or spreadsheets. So unfortunately, those for now will have to be manually entered. As always, stay tuned for more Sammy Joe Did You Know? I'll see you guys next week.